Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then you have to click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Then go to Data and Privacy, and now you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now restored and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.